crafty friends, it's Jonna the Preppy Crafty Girl. I'm here for another estate sale haul, part 2. So, because we did not have a truck to put the bed in that I was buying at the estate sale, I had to wait till the next day, and the estate sale was over. So I went and I called the lady and I said, can I come pick it up this morning? She's like, great. I had another friend come who has a truck, and they were willing to help me bring home the bed. Well, I called his mother because his mother loves estate sales too, and she loves books. And I told her, I said, they have tons of old books, and would you like to go with us? So the 4 of us made a trip to this estate sale about a half hour away. And when I went in, she said, everything, I said, are you selling? Can we buy stuff? And she's like, well, we're kind of packing up, but if you see anything that you want, you know, make me an offer or whatever. So I kind of ran through the house while they were taking apart the bed. And then my other friend my friend's mother went the other way. And these are some of the things that I found. So super excited. I just got a box lot of stuff too. I was like in the kitchen and I was just buying a bunch of things. So you're not going to see the kitchen items. I did get like a whole set brand new in the box of these beautiful William and Sonoma bowls. And I got some little Crocs, little tiny Crocs. They're cream colored. And I thought, oh my gosh, at Christmas, how cute will those be? Or in the winter, you can just put some of those little balsa trees in there, and bottle brush trees. And then what else did I get? I got a little metal frog that you put the flowers in, but I thought it'd be cute to put cabinet cards. So those things I'm not going to be showing you. But I am going to show you this because this is just so gorgeous. It's very fragile, and plus look at her in the pictures. I don't know who this was. It was somebody, but this is kind of coming apart and is going to need some repair. But they swivel. This one goes up and down, and then these swivel to the side. And I have 2 sisters, so I thought I'm going to do the 3 of us. And my one sister passed, so I thought it'd be really cute to put the 3 of us in this really cool old picture frame. So anyway, I got that. That was beautiful. Okay, then I found an entire box, and I'm talking like massive orange crate box of all this antique sheet music. It's not in the best of shape, but still usable, and I could even scan, like this would be so pretty just scanned like that. So anyway, that's my plan. But look at some of these. Look at some of these. They're just so pretty. And then other ones, you know, I'm just going to use just some sheet music. But this is from 1908. Look at this. Wedding March. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at her. $1923. 1923. I found, like, I'm telling you, I have like 1,000, at least 1,000. Crazy. And just made an offer on the box. So originally they were charging $2 a piece for the sheet music. And there was this, I'm going to put this in my, I guess I'm making a rain journal, Meg. I guess I'm making a rain journal because here we got the umbrella. Just saying. I keep finding rain stuff, where in the past I never even noticed any till you made mention. You should make a rain journal. Okay, so then this. So I just pulled a few that I thought were, you know, that were sitting on the top, just so you can kind of see. Look at that font. It's gorgeous. Sunshine and Roses. Oh my gosh. I'm going to scan this for my mother's journal. That's 1920s for sure. Look at this one. Oriental Romance. Suez. That. This one. This is music for the ukulele. Definitely 1920s. 1926. Sleepy Time Gal. Look at that. Almost done, because I don't want to do too many where you get bored on your toes. Girl of My Dreams. I love this font. Look how pretty. Even just to use that. This is 1926. A flapperette. Among my souvenirs. It's got letters. Neat. Cecilia. Is that the Cecilia, You're Breaking My Heart, that came out way later? This is 1925. Just a flower from an old bouquet. So the lady that lived there, her name was Viola Phillips. I'm not really sure if she was the grandmother, I think. So I met when I was loading up the bed into the truck, this guy came out and he's like, oh, I'm so glad somebody ended up with it was his great grandmother's bed. It's from the 1800s, he said, late 1800s. And he grew up in that house, and he was saying that was his great grandmother's bed. It's ribbon mahogany. It's a beautiful 4-poster bed. Yeah, so there's that. So a lot from the 1920s. Look at this. I thought this was pretty. 1909. Isn't that pretty? And then this one. And like I said, this is just the tip of the iceberg, or the ones that I got. Then I found this. So when I went back in, I started to kind of go through some of the shelves, and I found this on the bottom shelf. It's Collier's World Atlas. You know me, guys. I never met an atlas I don't like. And so when I opened this up, I was shocked at the colors. It's so cool. It's, first off, look, okay, this is pretty neat because it has the Capitol, which we used to go there and listen to Billy Graham. Billy Graham would come and speak on the back steps of the Capitol. And so that has a lot of meaning to me. We used to bike down there, my family, and go listen to him. Okay, so this was from 1942, originally 1935, but look at this color, the aqua and the orange and the pale yellow. Is this not great? All the maps are that yellow, orange, and aqua. Oh my goodness. I'm like, ah. My heart just sang when I opened it. It's just beautiful. And then in the back, it has all the city, the streets in the cities, which are all black and white, which I thought was kind of neat. So that's what's kind of in the back. And then it'll have like different points of the world. Anyway, kind of neat, huh? Here's Australia, New Zealand. Here's New Zealand, North and South Island. I've been to both of those, and Fiji, and I've been to Tasmania. This is going in my book. I've been to all these places. And then Australia. So, pretty cool. Anyway, okay, spent a lot of time on that. Sorry, it's a beautiful, just beautiful book. I found this. I just saw it rolled up, and it is made out of, not file folder or even a tag, manila, but some kind of manila. It's a little heavyweight, 1971. I just got it because I thought the calendar was kind of cool. Has 1971 calendar on it. Sorry, that's really loud, I'm sure. And also for the tab, look at the tab. Oh my gosh, I love this tab. It's so cute. So it's from Travelers Insurance. But anyway, I just mainly got it for the tab. So I'll use that somehow. I got some trims. These were just in a bag, so I didn't know what was in it. Of course, you know, they put the cute one on the top. So this is a little pink bias trim called a lacy edge. Super cute. And then tally cards. There weren't very many in here, so there's like 4. But this will go great with that chintz fabric that I showed you guys the last video. Anyway, 1990, 1980s right there. I found these in the desk drawer. These 2 From labels. Stack of those. And then I took it and I wanted to do the embossing, that little embossing thing that I got. It has their address, that's what it was. So I embossed it on there just to see what it would print out as. But anyway, so I got those. I found these. Again, I just threw all this in a box and she gave me one price. These are little coasters. Aren't they cute? They are from Nottingham, England. Little 4-pack of coasters. And then there is some of this piping. So 3 colors in the piping, and then that little bias trim. And then there's this Bond to Iron-On trimming, eliminates sewing. I don't believe that this is probably going to work now since it looks very old. So I don't think that's going to bond. Or let's put it this way, I would trust the bonding on it. Then I found a box, and I didn't see this box when I went the day before, but it had all this fabric. So I got this one. They're little, I think they're little cherries. That's what they look like, little cherries or an apple. I'm not really sure. 2 1/4 yards. Oh, it says cherry print. So these are cherries. Got that. Pruitt. I don't know. It doesn't have a date. So it's really pretty though. It has like a texture, like Swiss dot texture on there. So it's kind of cute. Then I found this one, which is, I guess, I don't know that I would consider this a calico. I don't know what you would consider this, but let's see. It's screen printed on here by, Leon Rosenblatt Textiles. That's by that other print that I got. But I thought that was super cute. And, you know, got to get this gingham, but look at this gingham. It's tiny little gingham. Isn't this cute? Like a baby print gingham. But, oh my gosh, it's like shedding everywhere. So all this needs to get washed. And I got this calico. I'm believing this is called a calico. It's just called White Cotton Tiny Flower Print. A tiny flower print. This is by Cranty Printworks Fabrics. Let me see if there's a better, it's kind of cut off, so see if there's a better print. Nope, that one's cut off too. Crantex. I've not heard of that one. Cranston. Oh, I've heard of Cranston. Anyway, that's that little print. Cute, huh? Oh, interesting, because it comes with the how to take care of it. Machine wash, regular cycle, mild soap. So I guess if you make something, then you sew that tag in it. How cute is that? That's cute. Okay, then I found chintz. I actually found chintz. Look at this. There's got to be 10 yards of this fabric. But look how cute this lime green and blue is. So cute. It's called Bonnie. It's by Schumacher Print. It doesn't have a year. It's copywritten. But isn't it a cute little print with the little blue rose? But anyway, yeah. So that's I got a lot of that. That'll end up in Happy Mail and stuff, but it's cute. Okay. Got a couple more things. Hold on one second. Yes, I had to buy these because they're wood-handled stamps and they're roller stamps, and I got some old bull clips because I just love them. I just love them. I love anything that has to do with the office. So I don't know what year these are from, but these are just date stamps. Looks like that says 1970. Let me see the last time they stamped it. Well, okay, people, we got to try this out. You know, just because. Whoops, let me get my pad of paper out. Because inquiring minds want to know. Yes, I do buy them without even looking at them. Because I've had someone walk up and take like a whole box out of my hand before. So now I just buy them and I go through the box later and then figure things out. Okay, this is their address. Yep, in Tennessee. A lot of times too, so for this one, I may just scrape that off and just glue my own hand carved stamp on those. That's what I do with them. Oh, I don't want to do these. Let's see the last date they stamped it. Let's see. This is, oh, it's done wrong. Okay. 1970 was the last time they used it. October of 1970. It looks like it goes back to 1963, which would be really cool. Oh, let's do this one. When was the last time they used this one? This one is 1969 was the last time they used this one. 69. I don't know. Let me look. Oh, this one says paid. Oh, these have different sayings on them. That's kind of cool. 1971. 1970. 69. 1960. It's weird. 1969 and 1960. Let's see. 67. 66. Let's see how far back we go. Oh, as PM. So it only goes back to 1966. And then that says AM. And this, I think, says sold. No, what does that say? Entered. Let's see what this says. Answered. And this is cute. Received. And then paid. So anyway, this one was super cute. But that's my haul, people, from the estate sale. And I will be back for some more crafting videos shortly. And stay tuned for my next thrifty haul next week. Because I went to the Goodwill bins. I can't put it in this one or it'll be too long. So I did go to the bins this week and I'm going to record that video and put it up for next Thursday so you guys can watch it. Thanks, everyone. Bye.